So I did a lot of research around hair transplants in the States, and I found out about Parsa Mohebi from a friend of mine's boyfriend who came to the clinic and had just great results. I would have never been able to tell that he had a transplant. It looked so natural, it looked so thick, and I was like, that is definitely what I should do. So I came in and I talked to Dr. Mohebi, and he's been great. He's been awesome about the whole process. Dr. Mohebi is great because he's so detailed. He's very he'll tell you exactly what level of baldness you're at. He'll draw the line on your head that is the hairline, and he will show you exactly how it's gonna look. And he's very specific he's not just like a guy that's like straight line for every person, that's that. He accounts your head shape, he accounts your age, he accounts how it's gonna look as you age, he accounts how many grafts you need specific to your case, and he's just very thorough. And I was happily, I wouldn't say surprised because the results spoke for themselves, but I was happy to know that the guy who's doing this is not just a surgeon, he's like an artist.